bitch, I'm really. I cannot waste no time, bitch, I'm really grinding.
Alrighty, so starting off, a couple of things that you're gonna definitely need to have with you are, I prefer to have 2 combs. This one is more, the teeth are smaller, so it makes it easier to do like my little fake baby hairs. And then I use this one to do my parting. You're gonna need 2 brushes. I like using a Denman brush and a hard brush. And then you're gonna need whatever it is gel that you're gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the Got to Be Glued because that's gonna keep me, at least, being that I have kinky hair, it's just gonna keep everything together. You're gonna need bubbles, rubber bands, and then the hair of your choice. All right, let's just start into it. So what I'm gonna do first, because I am doing a bang, and my bang I like to start from my eyebrows. So I'm gonna, and I like this comb because it reaches all the way up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go from the end of our eyebrow, or however you want to do it, and you're gonna part your hair, and that's when your little comb comes in. Right. Okay, so then you're gonna want to do this, and then you're gonna clip it. Being I don't have any clips, I'm just gonna run and get some really quickly. So I'll be right back. Taking your Denman brush or whatever, I use a Denman brush because it just grabs my hair more, and it kind of stretches it out a whole lot. As you can see, when you go through it, it just stretches my hair so much, and that's the point of doing this ponytail. We're trying to stretch my hair as much as possible. So I go through with the Denman brush first. And my hair is wet because I did wash it. Alright, so taking my Got to Be Glued, I'm just going to take a little bit like this. And this much should be able to cover like at least my whole front. So I do it in little dots. Okay, I lied. I attempted to do it in little dots, but whatever. You're just going to take your gel and get that all into the front of your hair. Taking my Denman brush, I'm going to start working it up into a puff. Alright, once I have a handful of hair, that's when you start working it up to wherever you want it to be. Like, I like my ponytails to be high, so I usually work them up to the top. Then I take my wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to pull all the hair that's in the middle upwards. Make sure you got your bubble on hand because you are definitely going to need it. Take your bubble, grab it, bring it around, doop, doop, loop, doop, loop. Simple. Literally just that simple. But if you're anything like me and you have really kinky hair, your hair is probably not going to be perfect. But don't worry about it. I'm going to teach you how to fix that, because a little bit of scarfing overnight is worth it. And then whatever it is that your hair doesn't want to like work with you, you just apply a little bit more gel, like it ain't that serious. And then I use the teeth of the comb to push it all in my hair. All right, all of that in your hair. Now, while I'm at this stage, it's a lot of shit I forgot to tell y'all to bring, so just look in the description box because it's going to have every single thing you need. You're going to need a little bit of edge control, whatever edge control you use. I'm going to be using Sharonda Hogan's Smooth Edges. This is what it looks like. And then I'm going to be, make sure you have a hair scarf on hand, because when you go to lay your edges down and you do your bang, you want everything to be and doing what it got to do. All right? So taking some Sharonda's, and it's clear and it smells so good, y'all. Like, this edge control has lasted me. I've had this for like 2 years, and look how deep I'm in, but look how much is left. Like, I literally just took this much out. That's all you really need. Take a little bit and apply it to your edges. I like to brush down first so it shows me whatever hair is not getting caught. Take your comb, lay it, and bring it back up. Just like that. Let me show you again. Take your comb, push it up, and now you got fake baby hairs. Like, can't nobody tell you a boy-headed bitch. You don't know shit about me, bitch. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, so you just do the same thing on each side. Boom, boom, boom. Don't be scared, honey. Don't be scared. Bring that down. Just take it and bring it up. And that's how you create your little fake baby hairs. If you got real baby hairs, then you don't need to be knowing this. But if you like me and you don't got no damn baby hairs, you might want to be using this damn trick. Okay. Okay. That's all you really gotta do. Like, practically, it's just like creating finger waves, pretty much. Take your scarf, and I usually, even though this, when it dries, and I'll show you when it dries, you don't really need to be, like, it does not move when it dries. All jokes aside, like, this gotta be the best freaking edge control I've ever used. Scarf. And you're just gonna apply, like, I'm making my bang, so I had to apply it behind my bang. And just, ooh, ooh, wait a minute. Wait a motherfucking minute. Oh, it's too high just now. Alright, now, get it to be as tight as possible. I have a weird shaped head, so shit don't stay like it's supposed to, but that's all you really need is for it to be a little tight. It don't gotta be perfect. Then I'm gonna start on my bang first before I start on my ponytail, because that's the easiest part. Working my fingers through my hair, and you can use whatever whatever products you choose to use. I received like this whole bag of stuff from Cream of Nature, so I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature, the new Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair, the Pudding Perfection curling cream, and it's supposed to cause no frizz, no shrinkage, and no dryness. It's made with a butter blend of argan oil for exotic shine, and it's for curls, kinks, and coils. So I'm gonna be using this today. Being that my hair is still a little wet, you only need like a little bit. Oh, it smells good though. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna take about this much out of the packaging, and I'm gonna just apply it all up and through my hair. Work that in. I'm gonna apply a little bit more because I'm gonna be twisting this up. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is take my Denman brush, and I'm just going to go through it just to be sure that all that product is touching every strand. And I'll know because this starts happening. My hair will start curling up. Like that. Right? I'm just going to part it. Like, I'm really going to make like a couple twists in my hair. Then I'm gonna untie. Well, I don't even need to untie it because the shit was never tight enough anyway. All right, now, so your hair should pretty much look like this. It's not perfect, and I don't want it to be perfect because again, we're trying to make it look realistic. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my kinky hair now. I've washed my hair so much that this does not match anymore, but nobody needs to know. You're going to take a little bit of your kinky hair. Now, I start by, it's a little mixed up, but whatever. I start by making some of the strands longer than they are. So you start like bringing them together like this. Boop. All of that. Start working it into each other. And whatever does not make the cut, you just bring it back up into it. Just bring that back up into it. That's as easy as it's going to make it. Or the easiest way that I can explain it and show you guys. Right? And I don't want this hair to look perfect again because we are trying to make it look natural. So, and I don't want my bun to be too big, so I'm only using about a couple of pieces of the kinky curly hair. So these packs will last you. This pack will last you a while if you are like a bun type of girl. But yeah, so that's what I do. This is what I do. And I like these long strands because when you go to wrap it, it makes it easier. So, because I hate having pins in my hair. Like, I cry. So, I know some of y'all hate having pins in your hair. So, this just makes it easier and you have to use less pins or no pins at all. Then I take my rubber band. And that's why I have a couple because these rubber bands are cheap. So, you want to double up on them. Take your rubber band. And you're going to stick the hair. It's hard to show. Give me a second. Because I only got one damn hand. You're going to go in the middle of it. Let's see if I go this way. Go in the middle. And then pull. Fuck. Hold on. Go in the middle and then pull this side. Hold on. Oh, this is fucking frustrating. Pull it through. And then you're going to pull this other rubber band side through that rubber band side. It's hard to show on camera, but yeah, that's what you're going to do. I'm sorry. I couldn't show you with one hand. It's just impossible, obviously. Alright. So, this is pretty much how you want it to look. Right? And if you want to add more hair to your ponytail, you can. But again, I want it to look natural. So you take your rubber band and you place it on your bun. I double it to make sure that it is secure and that it's not going anywhere. Take your hair and you just start twisting it up. Twist it all the way to the bottom. If you don't want to twist it, you don't have to, but it looks a little neater if it's twisted. And then you just start to twist it around your bun. Literally just that easy. You start, you know, you fuck with it on how you want it to do. Keep twisting it. Just that easy. Like, we're literally just that easy. And then as you go, you're going to tweak it, you know, based on you, but literally just that easy.
Bitch, I cannot waste no time, bitch, I'm really grinding.